Hello students, welcome to Substance classes. Today we'll be solving the Civil Engineering GATE exam paper of year 2018. We'll be solving today the question number 5 from the Engineering Mathematics portion of the paper. In question number 5 it has been said that the solution at x equal to 1 t equal to 1 of the partial differential equation del square y upon del x square is equal to 25 del square u upon del t square. Subject to the initial conditions u0 is equal to thrice of x and du dt 0 is equal to 3. So we need to find out a solution of this partial differential equation subject to these initial conditions. So let's proceed. So now we know that the standard wave equation, standard form of wave equation is of the format del square y by del x square, del t square is equal to c square into del square u upon del x square. So this is the standard form of the wave equation, where u of x comma 0 is equal to f of x and ut of x comma 0 is given by g of x. Now we have been given that del square u by del x square is equal to 25 del square u by del t square. Upon modification, this will give us del square u by del t square is equal to 1 by 25 into del square u by del x square. So as you can see, if you compare this equation and this equation, then c square is equal to 1 by 25, and that implies that c is equal to 1 by 5. This is what we have got so far. So now by D'Alembert, solution of wave equation we get that u of x comma t is equal to half into f of x plus ct plus f of x minus ct plus 1 by 2c into integration gy dy for the limits x minus ct to x plus ct. So this is what we have got. So upon solving it, this will give us thrice x plus thrice t. We'll put c equal to 1 by 5 over here and we'll get the value. So u of x plus t, u of xt is equal to thrice x plus thrice t. So now therefore we know that x equal to 1 and t is equal to 1. So that implies u of x of t is equal to 6, which is the correct answer. So today we have solved question number 5 from the Civil Engineering GATE exam paper of year 2018. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Substance classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.